In this video, I'll show you how to connect a flash drive or any external storage device to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. Let's get started. First, you'll need a USB-C OTG adapter, Type-C to USB-A, or any compatible converter. This allows you to connect external devices, such as a flash drive or hard drive, to your phone. Once you have the adapter, plug it into your Samsung device. Next, connect your USB flash drive or external hard drive to the adapter. As soon as you connect it, your phone should automatically detect the storage device. Now, swipe down the notification panel to check if it's connected successfully. You'll see a notification for USB storage. You can tap on that notification to open the drive directly. Alternatively, open the My Files app on your phone. Scroll down and you'll see USB Storage 1 listed. Tap on it and you'll be able to access all the files stored on your external drive. You can view, copy, move, or delete files just like you would with your phone's internal storage. To eject or unmount the external drive, swipe down the notification panel and tap on it. Tap 3 vertical dots in the top right and tap Unmount. And that's it! That's how you can easily connect and use a flash drive or any external storage on your Samsung S26 series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.